Now my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the previous class, we basically discussed about the gates. Okay. We classify gates in three types. One is the basic gates. Second one is universal gate. And third one is complex gates. Basic gates is and or and not. Universal gate is and not. And complex gate is X or and X. Okay. Why we call the universal gate NAND and NOR as a universal gate? So we will discuss that one in the later part. Okay. When you go with the week 5 content, week 6 content. So we discuss that why we call the NAND and NOR gate as a universal. Okay. But with the help of these NAND and NOR gate, you can implement all gates. Okay. You can implement all gates. So that's why it is called the universal. Now based on this one, the questions should be like, I think I already given you this type of question in the last class also.
Yes, sir.
So have you solved that one? Let me say this is the y1, this is the y2. First thing is that we have to write the equations of y1 and y2. Okay. Second thing, second question similar to this one. Find the A, B, and C for y1 is equal to 1, and similarly find the A, B, and C for y2 is 0. Okay, so these three questions we can implement through this one. So the thing is that when we are going to solve this question, we have defined some intermediate points. We know three inputs are available A, B, C, and two output Y1 and Y2. But in between input and output, there are several points are also available. This point, so I called as a P1. This point P2. Okay. So we just note down the equations for P1 and P2, and then after that we can calculate the Y1. So P1 is what? Basically, this is the NAND gate. NAND gate. This one is which gate? One, two, three, and four. So gate second is which gate?
Nor.
NOR gate. Okay. Gate three is
And.
NAND. and gate 4 is.
Or.
So first thing is that you have to recognize the gate property. Okay, now we go with the P. So P1, in the P1, two inputs are available, A and B, and NAND operation is done. So I just say A dot B bar. This is the equation of NAND. Okay. Now in the P2, P1 NORing with C. Okay, so I just say P1 plus C bar. This is the NOR operation. Now what is P1? So I put as A dot B bar plus C and whole bar. Okay. Now Y1. Y1 is what? P2 and with. Okay, so P2 is this one. So that is equal to A B bar plus C whole bar multiplied with. And Y2 is P2 or with C. So P2 plus C. So that is equal to A B bar plus C whole bar plus. Okay, so these are the two equations y1 and y. Okay, so my y1 is A B bar plus C whole bar. Okay, y2 B bar plus C whole bar bracket plus. Now second question. Find the ABC for y1 is equal to 1. Okay, so that means,
A and B will be 1 and C will be 0.
so basically how we check this one. So till now we are not going with the simplification of the Boolean expression. I think that is not covered till now. Okay, week 3. De Morgan's theorem is covered or not in week 3?
Yes, sir.
Covered?
No, sir.
Okay,
I
okay,
don't
not covered.
remember.
Na? Okay. So now we have to check that y1 is 1. Okay, so y1 is 1. Now we can see that if this is the x and this is the y. Okay, so y1 is 1 when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to, because it is the AND operation between x and y, and in the AND operation when both input will be 1, the output is 1. Okay, so when y is equal to 1, that means we know that a is equal to 1. Okay, that part is 1. Now remaining this one. Okay, a b bar plus c whole bar. Okay, that will be 1 if I take a one more, or basically we can say that a b bar plus c is equal to 0. Okay, take a double invert. I just take a invert one more and invert one more. Now if I take a invert of 1, that is 0. Again take a invert of 0, that is 1. So basically if I take a double invert of any number, that is the same number. That is the same number. We will discuss the Boolean identity also. Okay, so if I take a double invert, so basically double invert A B bar plus C, and that is 1 bar is equal to 0. Now, if both term will be 0, then the output is 0 because it is a OR operation. So from here we are getting C is 0. Okay, then A B bar is also 0. That means A B is equal to 1. Again take a one more invert, so one invert and one invert. So AB is equal to 1. A we already know 1, that means B should be 1. Then AB is equal to 1. Okay, so in this way we can solve. Now find the ABC for Y2 is equal to 0. So this is my Y2, that is equal to AB bar plus C whole bar plus C. Okay, now that is 0, that means if I again say this is the X, this one is the Y. If both the input is 0, then output is 0. That means this term should be 0. So C is 0. Now remaining term A B bar plus C whole bar, that is also 0. Okay. So I take a double invert. So A B bar plus C is equal to 1. Okay. Now we know that C is already 0. So that means A B bar should be 1. Because C is already 0. In the OR gate, if any of the input is 0, the 1 output is 1. So either the AB bar is 1 or C is 1. But we already calculate C it should be 0. C should be 0. So that means this is 0. So remaining thing is that AB bar should be 1. Now if AB bar should be 1, that means AB is equal to 0. Okay, AB is equal to 0. Now what is the possibilities is that either A is 0, B is 0, and C also 0. One condition. Second condition, A is 1, B is equal to 0, and C is equal to 0. And third condition, A is 0, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to 0. Because in these three conditions, multiply of AB is equal to 0. It is a AND gate. And when any of the input is 0, then means output is 0. So basically three possibilities will be possible. A, B both are 0. A is 0, B is 1, and A is 1, B is 0. Okay, and C we know that C is 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now some we go with the identity. If any variable A multiple add with 0, the same variable we are getting. Okay. When A is 1, so 1 plus 0 becomes 1. When A is 0, so 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So if we add anything in 0, we are getting the same values. So that means if we are adding A in 0, so we are getting. This is the one idea. Okay. If we add with 1, we always get it. We always get it. If A is 0, that means 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, when A is 1, that means 1 plus 1 is also 1. Okay, this plus is basically represent the OR gate, not addition. This represent the OR gate, not addition. Okay, when we add the same variable, we also get a same. Okay, similar way, if we multiply a with 0, we are getting 0. This dot represent the and not a multiply. When a multiply with 1, a ending with 1, it becomes a. And a ending with a, we are getting that. Okay, this is the OR gate identity. This is the AND gate identity. Along with that, one distributor. If we have a plus b c, so that will be equal to a plus b multiplied with a. Okay, so we distribute this bc in two terms, a plus b multiplied with a plus c. So we are getting the a plus bc. Okay, we want to try with the multiplication, so I just multiply. So here four terms we are getting, a multiply with a plus a multiply with c plus a multiply with b plus b multiply with c. Okay, now we use this identity, a dot a is a plus ac plus ab plus bc. Now from these two we are taking a as a common, so 1 plus ab plus bc. 1 plus c is 1. So again it is 1, so it is remaining a plus ab plus bc. Okay, again taking a as a common, so 1 plus b plus bc. Again use the identity, so the remaining is a plus bc. Okay. Find y.
Sir, it's XNOR gate.
It's not. Okay, we are getting A bar here. We are getting B bar here. This is the NAND gate. So in the NAND gate A dot B bar whole bar. And this one is A bar dot B whole bar. Okay, and here we are getting A B bar whole bar dot A bar B whole bar and whole bar. Okay, so till now we are not basically go through with the simplification of the Boolean expression. We will leave it here only. Okay, if you want to simplify, so in that particularly week 4 we go with the simplification of Boolean expression. Then we realize this is the expression of node. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 gates are available. You have to write down the expression for y1, y2. Hello. Yes. What is y1 and y2?
Y1 is A dot B
Y1 is a dot b.
and Y2 is A dot B bracket A dot B plus C to the whole complement.
A dot b bracket a plus a dot b
So bracket.
plus c.
No, sir, there was a plus. Sir, there was plus sign, but not between A dot B and A dot B. That bracket. A dot B,
Can you repeat the statement again?
A dot B,
A dot b
multiply bracket.
multiply.
Wait, sir, I'll write in chat.
Okay, that's it.
Yes, sir.
So at the point A, we are getting AB. Point 2, we are getting as a AB and A. So A dot AB bar. Okay. Node 3, we are getting as a B dot AB bar. And point 4, we are getting as a AB plus C bar. Okay. Now here we are getting as a dot AB bar plus B dot AB bar whole bar. Okay, and here we are getting as a B dot AB bar into AB plus C bar and whole bar.
So we
And
get
here
AB plus
Y2 is
C, I think. AB plus C.
where?
Down below.
Fourth point after fourth gate.
No, no, for Y2. Okay, so
Mhm.
this is the. Okay, okay.
That is the AB plus C bar. And here we are getting from the fourth point. Okay, so we are getting AB plus C bar and we are using this particularly also. So B bar, B dot AB bar dot AB plus C bar. Is it clear? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Now if you want to simplify this one, so it becomes A dot AB is AB bar plus B dot AB is again AB bar. Okay. Same data addition, so we can call them A, B bar and whole bar. Bar and whole bar will be cancelled out, so AB bar is okay. Okay, from this one we are getting as a AB bar dot AB plus C bar whole bar of that one. Okay, so Y2 is wrong.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir. No, sir.
ABC 010 110 and 011. Find the output at point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, and point 5.
So
Yeah,
I got y1 as I'll write in chat.
we are not required the equation now y1 y2. I just want to know the what is the value of p1 p2 p3 p4 p5 for these three conditions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, don't need to write a equation because it will be time consuming. We are not asking the equation in that.
Okay, sir. I wrote the equation.
Sir, I've got 10100 for all three.
One zero 110.
Sir, 100. The 10100.
So, I just take first condition C is 0, A is 0. Okay, and B is 1. So here we are getting a 1. So this is the 1, this is the 0. So P1 we are getting a 1. Okay. And for the second, A and B is 1, so we are getting 1 here, 0 here, so we are getting 1. A and B both are 1, and C is also 1.
The P1 should be 110.
So it becomes is I think 0. Can you check the last condition? What is the P1? Similarly for A and B, 1, 1, so every time this is 1, so this is 1. Now B is 1, so this is always 0. Yeah, that is correct. Now this one and this one will be X now. Okay, so 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So I think this one becomes 0. Mm, It is 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. 0 and 0. It becomes 1. 0, 1 becomes 0. 0, 1 becomes 0. 0 and 0 becomes 1. Can you verify third condition?
Just give me a minute.
Yes, sir. You are correct. It's 00011.
00011. So in this way we can solve the mm, any questions related to that particularly part. In the next class, I think we will take some question that will be coming in the gate examinations. Okay,
Okay, sir.
related to this particular gates. If you have any doubt, you can ask. And one person is asking content of